Hindi ako masyadong nag-research. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun. Yun ang palpak ko. So, ngayon tuloy ito. Lesson learned. Next time, kahit feeling ko... Good morning. My husband is so handsome.
Good morning.
Guys, so bright. Wait lang. Kumusta na po kayong lahat? Sana ay masaya ang lahat sa ating mga buhay-buhay. Busy pero masaya. Kami gagala muna for today. Pupunta kami sa Life and Science Museum sa Raleigh, North Carolina. So it's 1.5 hours from us. Tama ba? Magpipick up muna kami ng breakfast dito, Chick-fil-A. Kasi ang aga namin umalis, di pa kami nakapag-breakfast. 8 o'clock, mahaba daw ang pila sa mga drive-thru kapag ganitong oras. Tama naman siya. Yan, mahaba ang pila sa drive-thru. So, mas mabilis kung nag-order na kami at pipick upin lang. Talagang ahead rin mag-isip tong aking asawa. So, that's good. Mag-museum kami today. Kasama yung mga homeschooler playdates namin. I mean, yung mga lagi namin ka-playdate na ibang mga homeschooler. So sila ay mag-e-enjoy dun. And ako naman ay makikipagchikahan sa mga mommies. Laging ganun no? Kapag may playdate. Yung mga anak, naglalaro. Tapos yung mga nanay, chismisan, ganyan. Pero friends, hindi ako sure kung makakapag-vlog ako. Kasi nahihiya ako. Ayoko sabihin sa kanila na may YouTube channel ako. So, hindi po ako makakapag-vlog habang chumichika sa kanila. I mean, ayoko din silang ipakita. Kasi, pag ipinakita ko sila sa video, magpapaalam ako sa kanila na pwede ko ba kayang ilagay sa, sa YouTube, diba? Hindi malalaman na nila na may YouTube ako na feelingerang vlogger ako, diba? So, ayoko nga. So, video ko lang siguro is yung mga bata lang. Tapos kapag may ginagawa silang mga activities sa museum. And, I think that way, they will not ask me questions. Kasi isipin nila na ay ano lang to, parang nanay na nagvi-video lang ng anak nating nothing about being a vlogger, parang gano'n. So, I don't know, we'll see. Nandito na yung food namin. Kaso walang kutsara. So, pumasok yung aking asawa ulit para kumuha ng kutsara. Sabi ko, wag nakakamayin ko na eh. Thank you.
Like 10 small.
How about that hash brown?
Thank you. For them also.
Okay. You guys, you eat it like this.
It's like mini
Like
sandwiches.
Chicken strip.
No, they're chicken nuggets.
Oh, chicken nuggets with hash brown and eggs. First time, first try. This with the chicken, egg, and hash. I'm gonna crochet a dress na ganitong size. Same size.
Maybe a little bit bigger.
1 hour away. Kailangan yung natapos ko isang oras. This is the top part. Maya! Ito yung sa pinaka-tube ng dress.
Yeah, well, not a real one.
I got an itch on my back, but not right now.
Hi, how are you?
How's everybody this morning? Good? How about yourself? Good.
Airspace. Lots of field trips today. A lot of school buses.
It is a tree house.
Nice.
Bro, there you go. Use the camera on it. You'll have to climb it a little bit. Got it?
Like a mountain, yeah, so high. Okay, slide. Watch out. 1, 2, 3, go! It's like a mountain. Hey, Maya. Are you having fun? Hi, Maya. Andrew don't like to get in the train. Are you excited, Lucas?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Choo choo! Choo choo! Choo choo! Andrew's there and Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
He's not fun,
It's not
Mommy.
fun.
No.
This is your first train ride. This is Lucas' first train ride.
Just the Philippines.
Oh yeah, we had a lot in the Philippines. We had a lot of train rides. Whoa! You see the dinosaur? Da, da, da. Gonna be a tunnel. Woohoo! 4, 3, 2. Was that fun? Hi guys.
And of course, you know they're gonna play sand. Or he is. He's gonna play sand.
Yeah.
I just drilled that one in.
Careful with the sand.
Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Ayan. More lakad. Malaki pala yung museum. Hindi ko in-expect. Mukhang maghapon kami dito. Hindi pa ako nag-pack ng order. Oh. Oh my God! That's really big. Natulog si Maya ulit. Pangatlong nap niya na yata ito. Dami naming lakad. Sakit ng katawan ko dito mamaya. Where? Oh! Careful, Andrew, ah.
Why are you waiting to start running faster?
I know. It's like momentum. You're in the momentum. Huh? Oh, where's Andrew? Oh no, I can't see Andrew. And Lucas. Where's Nata? Walang kaya sa dalawa eh.
Might as well. They're already wet. Might as well.
Kulit ng dalawa.
Doing
Merry
something.
Christmas. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Pat it. Throw it in a pan. Yay! Maya's tired. Don't sleep. We're gonna sleep in the car. Haggard na Akesh. Andrew, Lucas, you had fun?
Yeah.
You cold? Yeah, he's so cold. And Andrew is using,
Towel.
Maya's blanket.
And I hope we bring a blanket, but then
We didn't. Yeah, we did not. Kasi hindi namin in-expect na may mga water activity. Hindi ako nag-prepare, diba? Kasi hindi ako nagplano, niyaya lang kami nung nanay ng kalaro niya. Kaya hindi kami prepared. Pero, so nung una, sabi ko, wag magbasa kasi nga wala kaming dalang towel or anything. Pero ang layo kasi nito 1.5 hour drive. So sabi ni Ryan, pagbigyan na daw na i-enjoy.
Two things we didn't do.
What?
the farm thingy,
Oh yeah.
and the aerospace.
Yeah, that's where we're going, aerospace. Sabi ni Ryan, pagbigyan na daw, kaya na daw, nai-enjoy ng mga bata yung water activities kasi nga naman, minsan lang kami dito. So yan, basang-basa sila, sana matuyo sila. Maglalakad pa kami ng mga 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Baka yung lakad na yan, matuyo na sila, so good. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
The water.
The water!
Yeah.
I knew it!
Yeah.
I knew it. How about you?
Same.
Same?
Was
Not-
it a train or anything?
Not the train?
Yeah. The train is second lower.
Second.
Yeah, okay,
First place water. Second place train. What's the third place?
But what? Can you tell me everything else?
We have the dino, the butterfly,
Does the mist count?
the mist. Well, the mist is part of the water, right? Yeah. How about
I would say dinosaurs there.
dinosaurs third?
Yeah, you know.
Well, there's one more place that we haven't checked.
The bear kind of outside the decks, bridges
Yeah.
stuff.
There are animals, right? That we see the bear.
Oh, the treehouse stuff.
The tree house, the first one we... Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Whoopsie! Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Eat. The entrance is very basic. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have so much stuff inside, but the outside is very
Meh.
meh. Yeah. And the rocket ship. You had fun, Daddy?
That's fine.
I had fun. I had fun, but I'm so tired now. Everybody's tired. 6 hours. We were playing for 6 hours. And then we're gonna go home. And then we'll want to play more. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, another 1.5 hour drive. Tulog na si Andrew. O, diba? Bagsak. Si Lucas makakatulog din yan maya-maya, pati si Maya. So kami na lang ang aking asawa ang hindi pa natutulog. Makakatulog. Pero babawi ng pahinga mamaya. But the problem is, we still have to pack.
Yeah.
Di kami nagpack kanina kasi nga ang aga namin umalis. Ang daming ipapack na orders. Pasaway kami. Kasi hindi talaga namin na plano yung today. Akala ko makakauwi kami before mga afternoon, ganyan makakauwi kami. Tapos makakapagpack pa ng orders. Gagabihin na pala. Paggabi na kasi. So close na din ang post office. So 1 day delay na yung aming mga packages. So I feel bad, but you know, lesson learned. Dapat mas inagahan namin nagising para napakang order. Pero ipapack ko pa din siya mamayang gabi. Tapos siguro maaga na lang namin siya isi-ship bukas. We're almost home, kaya lang dumaan muna si Mr. dito sa grocery. Bibili siya ng bread and cheese. Magba-burger daw kami for dinner. So siya ang magluluto ng dinner. Ako naman, ito na ang aking natapos mula kanina. So ito yung dress ni Maya. So ano siya, ito yung parang tube. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng strap dito. Parang pa ganyan. Pero susukatin ko pa mamaya, kaya hindi ko pa nilagay kung saan ko ilalagay yung pinaka-strap. Tapos ito yung likod. Lalagyan ko siya ng butones dito. Tapos sa ilalim ng dress yan ha, dress. Pero dahil baby pa siya, meron siyang parang sa diaper. Ganyan. Tapos ito yung pinaka-dress. So hahabaan ko lang yan siya para matakpan yung parang diaper dito. 'Di ba? Maganda ba? Ang ganda ng kulay, 'di ba? So imagine niyo hahaba ito. Tapos matatakpan siya. Tapos ganito kahaba. Tapos may mga pa ganitong strap. Ayan ang aking natapos. Nakatulog silang lahat. Nakatulog ang lahat ng kids. Even Lucas was sleeping. So ngayon nagising sila kasi nakapatay yung sasakyan. Ganun yung mga bata, pag sa sasakyan, nakakatulog sila. Pero pag tumigil na yung sasakyan, nagigising sila. Ang ulan, friends, ngayon. O, tingnan nyo. Kararating lang namin. Ginabi na kami dahil sa traffic. Dahil sa ulan at yung oras nga is parang rush hour. Talagang traffic kami. Almost 2 hours kami nag-drive pabalik. So, ngayon, kailangan ko pa din ipack itong mga orders na to dahil mamamark tayo as a delayed na. So, ito yung aking mga nabenta. Mga konting nail polish sa Walmart. Tas mga ilang eBay orders to. Lipstick, isang picture frame, sunglasses, microfiber cleaner. Kasi ito nabenta ko fire pit, cover. $1 ko lang yan nabili. Tingnan nyo, may label pa. Nabenta ko siya ng $18.88 sa eBay. Kakabili ko lang yan sa Bean Store. Tapos, isang set ng 2 kandila. Ayan, isang Olay. At isang set ng shampoo and conditioner. That's eBay. May konti pa akong ihabol mamaya. Pero, isang batch lang. Ito muna ang gagawin ko. So, si Mr. ay magluluto ng dinner burger. Pagod kaming lahat. Oh my God. Talagang 6 na oras. Imagine, 6 na oras kami dun. Naglaro. Tapos, 1.5 hour pa punta. 1.5 hour na drive. Papunta. 1.5 hour pa balik. So, that's 3 hours. Plus yung traffic, mga 10 hours total. Talagang na-spend namin today just for playing. I mean, parang family day. Diba? Family day yan. Ang mali lang talaga, hindi ko in-expect na napakalaki ng lugar. Hindi ako masyadong nag-research. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun kalaki yung place, na madaming laruan, na talaga mag-i-spend kami ng isang buong araw lang. Akala ko mga 2, 3, 4 hours lang, uuwi na kami, ganyan. Tapos makakapagpaka ko sa hapon. So ngayon, pagod na pagod kaming lahat. Well, kaming mag-asawa. Yung mga bata, alam niyo naman ang mga bata, hindi na uubos ang energy. Diba? So, yun ang palpak ko. So ngayon tuloy ito, naghahabol ako magpak ng orders. Pero okay lang. Minsan lang naman. Lesson learned. Next time, kahit feeling ko maaga kaming makakauwi, kailangan mag-pack muna ako bago gumala. Tapos na, friend. Ayan. 2 box na yan. Itong 2 box at saka yung 2 bag. Bukas na natin yan i-ship or i-deliver sa post office. Maulan pa din. So ako ay papasok na para makapagluto na si Mr. ng dinner. Maulan. Walang payong eh.